In a dynamic world that's always on the move, engineering is all about speed, performance and reliability, and keeping the wheels of innovation and advancement turning smoothly since 1990. A shining example of engineering excellence in motion. This is ARB Bearings. ARB Bearings Limited, with its corporate headquarters at New Delhi, was established by the Goel family, which had been in the bearings business for more than 60 years. Starting out with taper roller bearings, the company eventually expanded into various types of bearings and other allied products. The product range caters to diverse application areas, ranging from light commercial vehicles, earth-moving equipment, rolling mills and electrical pumps to electrical motors, cement plants, crushers and combines. These are the centers of manufacturing excellence at ARB Bearings. 3 technologically advanced production facilities that enable the company to offer a wide range of high-precision bearings for specialized and various applications. These manufacturing facilities roll out around 24 million bearings each year, spanning more than 2,200 sizes. ARB products are available through a pan-Indian network of more than 800 dealers, with company-owned outlets operating on a 24/7 basis. The global distribution system with a footprint covering more than 50 nations across 6 continents. The products are trusted by institutional customers in India. Our cutting-edge technology includes exclusive and efficient machinery. ARB Bearing has fully automatic CNC grinding and super finishing lines, covering the latest technological breakthroughs in terms of machinery, which ensures that we produce high-quality bearings with minimum friction, vibration and low noise level consistently. The ARB success story is built on the foundation of quality. It is a part of our company's DNA. It pervades every process, every operation. The quality standards are at par with global benchmarks and are audited and calibrated at regular intervals. The infrastructure also includes live testing facilities for accurately measuring the longevity and life cycle of products, parts and components. A state-of-the-art design facility equipped with Romax software tools enables ARB to conceptualize, design and manufacture bearings in accordance with customer requirements and specifications. The manufacturing infrastructure is backed up by company-owned warehouses with contemporary cargo handling and inventory management systems. The production plants are manned by a well-trained, highly skilled workforce. The knowledge and skill sets of this talent pool are regularly upgraded through structured training programs and workshops. The journey of ARB Bearings is an ongoing one, moving swiftly from one milestone to the next. Going ahead, the company has drawn up plans to increase production capacity from 24 million bearings per annum to 30 million. The expansion plans include the addition of new production lines for taper roller bearings, spherical roller bearings, ball bearings and wheel bearings, along with the latest heat treatment facilities. In the near future, ARB is going to be the first Indian bearing manufacturer to produce roller bearings with an outer diameter of up to 1 meter. As an environmentally conscious organization, ARB believes in adopting green technologies and in taking proactive steps towards reducing its carbon footprint. A world in motion, powered by technology, innovation and quality.
We are ARB. Engineering